Hi, it's PG with MarineMax Houston, and I'm very excited to show you the 2019 330 Outrage by Boston Whaler. This is a boat you can go offshore and do just about anything with. She's very durable. She's great for offshore diving, fishing, and inshore dinner cruising, just about anything you want to do with her, and you can do so very comfortably. We'll start in the back. We've got a nice live well, aerated. It's lighted. Good aeration system. Fish boxes on each side on the floor, big enough to hold your tuna. Got a really nice lounge seat in the back that tucks away real easily and gives you a bolster for your fishing. This is one of my favorite features here. This is the second live well system. But also check this out, it's got a bait cutting table and a prep area, or if you're just hanging out with your friends and want to use it for a serving area, that's great too. Also, huge feature here, side dive door, great for fishing, scuba diving. It even comes with a second ladder. The boat has a regular telescopic ladder in the back, but we have another one that plugs in here to this stainless steel fixture. Great for diving and fishing. Come forward to the helm. We have a really nice helm seat with a nice armrest, drop down bolsters. This boat even has an alternate platform. I'm a little short, so this makes it really nice for me. Great ergonomics, full glassed enclosure here. We do have a vent window for those hot sultry days. We also incorporated the trolling seats on this model. Let me show you one on the starboard side. We have them on each side of the boat. These are really nice to push down. You're still under the shade, kind of out of the weather. Great for fishing or just hanging out, additional seating. Really nice head compartment. You can see where we keep our dive ladder down in there. Vacuum flush toilet, very nice, roomy head system. Another sink with fresh water. Check out this huge lounger up front. This also can double as a fishing platform because this cushion's actually removable. You can have a casting platform. Look at all this storage inside. This boat also comes with two sunshades, one for the front and one for the back, that easily install into the rod holders. We have a couple of clips on the hardtop to hook them into. Underneath here we have a casting platform with removable cushions that will also store in here. And this gives you an extra area for fishing or just hanging out. In the bow of the boat we have a windlass anchor system. It can be controlled from the front of the boat or at the helm. You really need to come check this boat out because I know it can meet all your needs in our market, and we'd love to help you. Again, I'm PG with the MarineMax Houston.